Hey guys, it's me Jessica
and Addie.
Today we're going to show you how to make a yogurt fruit bar.
It's so easy and so yummy, so let's get started.
For our ingredients, you'll need vanilla Greek yogurt, granola, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. You can also add any type of fruit that you'd like. I also have a baking sheet with parchment paper. I'm using a rolling pin to crush some of our granola. If you have a food processor, you can just use that.
So now I'm going to be making some heart-shaped strawberries. You can do this by cutting a V on the top of your strawberry, and then you can take your little top off and cut it into smaller pieces. I know how to do this because I watch my mom's videos. Ta-da!
Good job, baby.
That was a perfect one.
Perfect.
Is that enough or more?
Let's just slice these up.
Okay.
Can I help you?
No.
Okay.
How dare you?
Okay, let's put all of them in a bowl. Okay. Next, we're gonna cut the blackberries.
How?
In
Just
half?
In half?
Yeah.
Okay.
Curve your fingers in so you don't slice them up.
Last one.
Okay. We're gonna add the granola in. We're gonna take our rolling pin and crush it a little bit. Just crush it with our hands.
Ow.
Now we're going to lay our yogurt on top of the granola. So just using the back of the spoon, slowly spread it. I'm just spreading this lightly and trying to make it a little bit even.
Yummy, yummy.
Now we're adding our fruit right on top of the yogurt.
That's why you didn't want too many, because you need to put it on the cut.
Now we're done with our fruit. We're gonna sprinkle it with granola. Here it is.
I want to eat it already. It's so yummy.
We're gonna put this in the freezer for about an hour until it's hard. Okay, we just took it out of the freezer. It looks perfect. You did a great job, baby. Now we're going to cut it. Yeah. Once you start putting your knife down, it'll start cracking on its own, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but just as long as you have different pieces. Okay.
I'm so excited to eat it.
Me too. We're going to store this in an airtight container. And you can layer it with some parchment paper so they don't stick. Take this on the go. It's great for an easy breakfast option. Perfect for Addie to eat in the mornings so I can make her lunch. Let's try one.
Cheers.
Good. You like it? We took the biggest bite, sorry. I feel like I have yogurt all over my mouth.
You don't.
It's crunchy, chewy, it's not too sweet, and it's the perfect breakfast. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more cooking videos with me and Addie, comment below what you'd like us to make, and maybe we'll make it next time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.